participants of our media meeting before European Championships, dear colleagues from European Judo Union, dear President Jovica from Montenegro, dear Clarice, shining champion in European Judo Union, dear Richard, one of the successful coach of also European Judo Union, and the future champions also. I hope that we are here really like a judo family. For the draw was a little bit dry, and the draw was very special because it was official part of our preparation of European Championships. And in the time of the draw, I was thinking many things about in the last 3 years what's happened in the European Judo Union and what's happened here in Montenegro, because now I understand everything can be happens. 3 years ago, when somebody told us that Montenegro will be organized Senior European Championships in 25, nobody was ready to hear this, and nobody was ready to believe this. And now I am together with you, and we start to competition, and tomorrow we will be celebrated first day of official European Championships here in this country. This will be the most biggest sport event in ever. Never happened so strong competition, championships, and this is a really miracle. For me it's a miracle, but we was created together with this miracle, and this is show for the power and possibility of member of European Judo Union. What we was created together in the last 3 years, you will see the results. And I am very proud of our colleagues in Montenegro. I am very proud of our colleagues in European Judo Union. And I am very proud of our heroes in European Judo Union. Because we will be do it, and we was do it, this miracle. And for the honor of our members, that 48 countries will be participate in these European Championships, this show that this is one of the strongest and biggest European Championships will be to celebration of 50 years old Montenegrin Judo Federation. This is a really unbelievable things, and I am really very happy with you. And after the draw I am more happy, because I see the stars of European Judo Union, the biggest part, it's ready to fight, continue it for the next future championships and the title. And when I was see the list, when I was see for the draw, I was really very big positive surprise that this competition will be unbelievably strong. I would like one more time congratulate for President of Montenegrin Judo Federation, who was believe us. We was believe together for this idea that Montenegro can be organized not only some junior event, they can organize senior European Championships. And it will be tomorrow. We will be shown for Europe and world that the miracle sometimes is true. Thank you very much all of you for the participation. Congratulate all of you. And I am really not only proud that happy what will be for the few days, the biggest and strongest event in European Judo Union 25 will be organized in Podgorica, capital city of Crna Gora, Montenegro. Thank you very much.